Ever wondered what happens when four giants of the digital era unite for a common cause? Let's embark on the journey of the quadruple power combo. Picture this: ChatGPT, your ultimate AI sidekick, teams up with InVideo, your personal video wizard. Now add a dash of TikTok, the reigning king of social media sensations, into the mix. Finally, top it all off with YouTube, the undisputed granddaddy of video platforms. Each platform plays a unique role in this combo. ChatGPT crafts engaging content, InVideo transforms it into visual artistry, TikTok adds the spice of virality, and YouTube, well, it offers the grand stage for all this magic to unfold. Together, they create a formidable force, transforming passive income generation into a reality. So, are you ready to witness the Avengers of income generation assemble right in your living room? First up, we have ChatGPT, the ultimate AI sidekick. Now, this isn't your average run-of-the-mill artificial intelligence. Oh no, my friends, ChatGPT is a multi-talented performer, a veritable Swiss Army knife of content generation. And one of its most entertaining blades, comedy, of course. Picture this: you're sitting at your desk brainstorming content ideas, but instead of the usual grind, you're chuckling, guffawing, maybe even snorting a little. Why? Because ChatGPT is serving up puns and one-liners that would make even the sternest of faces crack a smile. It's like having a stand-up comedian right at your fingertips, ready to inject a dose of hilarity into your content creation process. And as we all know, laughter's the best medicine, but in this case, it's also a pretty potent income generator. Who knew making money could be so hilarious? Next in line is InVideo, the video wizard. This isn't your ordinary video editor. InVideo is like having your very own magic wand. With a wave of this wand, you can turn the plainest of texts into a captivating video full of life and energy. It's like transforming a pumpkin into a royal carriage, only this time your content is the pumpkin. You see, InVideo is not just about cuts and transitions. It's about storytelling. It's about bringing your content to life in a way that captures attention and ignites imagination. It's about crafting a narrative that engages, inspires, and entertains. It's about creating content that not just speaks to your audience, but dances and sings for them. With InVideo, your content isn't just read, it's experienced, it's felt, it's lived. The magic of InVideo lies in its ability to transform the ordinary into extraordinary, the mundane into magnificent. And hey, if it could make Harry Potter's broomstick, imagine what it can do for your videos. Now let's groove with TikTok, the social sensation. This platform is more than just a hub of trendy dance challenges and lip-sync battles. It's a viral factory that's constantly pumping out viral content. Picture it like this: TikTok is a party, and everyone's invited. Every video you post is like sending out an invitation to join the fun. And the best part? You never know which invite is going to explode and turn your little shindig into the hottest ticket in town. TikTok's algorithm is designed to discover and promote fresh content, making it an ideal platform for reaching a larger audience. It's like a dance floor where everyone gets a chance to shine. So put on your dancing shoes and get ready to bust some moves. With TikTok, you're not just posting videos, you're creating viral vibes. Get ready to show your moves and go viral on TikTok. It's a dance-off to the top. Finally, we have YouTube, the granddaddy of video platforms. YouTube is more than just a platform. It's the ultimate stage where all the magic happens. This is where the fruits of your labor with ChatGPT, InVideo, and TikTok finally come to life. Picture this: ChatGPT has crafted your script filled with puns and jokes that'll have your audience in stitches. InVideo has taken that script and transformed it into a visual masterpiece. TikTok has amplified your reach, creating a buzz and driving traffic towards your YouTube channel. Now it's time for the grand finale. On YouTube, you're not just a content creator, you're the director of your own show. You're the one calling the shots, deciding what content to put out there and when. It's your stage, your rules. But it's not just about creating content, it's about building a community. Your subscribers are your loyal fan base, eagerly waiting for every new video you post. They're the ones who like, share, and comment on your content, helping you to reach even more people. And here's the best part: with every view, like, and share, you're not just growing your community, you're also monetizing your content. YouTube's partner program allows you to earn revenue from ads placed on your videos. And with YouTube's global reach, the sky's the limit when it comes to your earning potential. There's also the potential for brand collaborations and sponsored content. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers and content creators to collaborate with. And with a successful YouTube channel, you could be just the person they're looking for. So when you combine the creative power of ChatGPT, the video wizardry of InVideo, the viral potential of TikTok, and the global stage that is YouTube, you've got yourself a recipe for success. This is the quadruple power combo, and it's a game changer in the world of passive income generation. Imagine ChatGPT, InVideo, and TikTok all prepping you for the grand performance on the YouTube stage. Lights, camera, subscribers. So folks, there you have it, the quadruple power combo. Picture this: ChatGPT, your witty opening act, warming up the crowd with its comedic genius. Then comes InVideo, your backstage crew, turning your content into a dazzling visual spectacle. Up next, TikTok, your pre-show party, spreading the buzz and getting everyone excited. And finally, and YouTube, your grand finale, the stage where it all comes together. Together, these four are more than the sum of their parts. They're a cohesive unit, each playing a vital role, working in harmony to turn your passive income dreams into reality. It's like conducting a symphony, each instrument contributing its unique sound to create a melodious masterpiece. This, my friends, is the magic of the quadruple power combo. It's not just about earning, it's about creating, engaging, and having a blast while doing it. Don't forget to subscribe for more side-splitting and money-making insights. And remember, it's all about fun and fortune. And